All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan. It is the SXT model. It's beautiful black, a black interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera, alloy wheels, fog lights, roof racks. Super nice. Only 26,000 miles on this vehicle, and best of all, minimum damage on the body. Your front bumper looks pretty good. Doesn't seem to have a dent here. See 3, 6. About 9 inches. The hood looks good. This driver's fender looks good. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. SXT curbing. Your tire thread is over 730 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty darn nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice SXT curbing. And your tire thread over 730 seconds. It's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It is a powered seat. Let me jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. It does have 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM, CD player, audio and all that good stuff. Got your backup camera. Boom. Got your AC controls right down below. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. Your mileage of 26,936. Power buttons here, open stuff up. Here's the rear passenger seat. What that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise on your third row, no holes, no tears, no rips back there. Does have rear running ACs and rear AC controls. Little button there, automatically closes this door. Bumper looks good. Here's your rear trunk space. And what that looks like, pretty big and spacious. These seats do fold forward and tuck in here, stow and go like the name says. Let's check out your lift gate. Looks good. This quarter looks good. Does have a dent here, about 3 to 4 inches right here. Looks like it's some substandard paintwork there in that quarter. Here's your rear passenger rim and tire thread over 730 seconds. Likewise on this door, some substandard paintwork here as well. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Here's your front passenger, your third row, no holes, no tears, no rips to that. Little button here. This door, likewise, on the substandard paint. Looks like what we call here in Northeast Leasing home job. Somebody did this as a home job. Here's your front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Driver fender here. Likewise, got some substandard paintwork here. Some substandard paint there. Looks like some Bondo. Here's your front passenger rim, very nice. LC curbing, tire thread, over 730 seconds. Some rough Bondo here, some rough here. This here looks like it's been spray canned, as well as some of this, and then they spray canned a little bit here. The rest looks good, but 1, 2, 3, 4. I'd say you have to do these 4 panels. This whole side here is gonna have to be redone, maybe even the bumper. All right, lights are working, things are running, folks. Once again, the 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT model with 26,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you. Happy bidding.